Hello students, in the previous class we were discussing about finding the roots of a polynomial equation. Now in this class also we will continue with the same topic. Let's look at the board. You are given an equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24, given that two of its roots are in the ratio 3:2. Two of the roots are in the ratio 3:2. Given what is given? Given two of its roots are in ratio 3:2. So what we shall do is, let the roots be 3 alpha, 2 alpha and beta. Let it be like this. Sum of roots 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus 9. That is 5 alpha plus beta is equal to 9. Beta is equal to 9 minus 5 alpha. Next, let us call this as 1. Product of roots taken 2 at a time. 3 alpha into 2 alpha, 2 alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta is equal to 14. Right. 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha beta is equal to 14. 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha, what is beta? 9 minus 5 alpha is equal to 14. Here what do you get? 6 alpha square plus 45 alpha minus 25 alpha square is equal to 14. Here you get minus 19 alpha square plus 45 alpha is equal to 14. Bring this that side. 19 alpha square minus 45 alpha plus 14 is equal to 0. Let us find the factors here. 19 into 14. 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4 5 6 7, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 6. Right, you get 266, and here you have 45, 266 and 45, 2 1s are 3s are 3s are, again it goes in, let us check whether it goes in 7, 7 1s are 7, 33, it doesn't go in 7 table. 63, 7 9s are 63, 19 1s are, so 14 and 19 you are getting, and this is 45. 19 alpha square, 14 and 19 doesn't give you 45. 38, 19 2s are 38 plus 7 will give you 45. So if you can write it as 38 alpha minus 7 alpha plus 14 is equal to 0. 19 alpha into alpha minus 2 minus 7 into alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 2 into 19 alpha minus 7 is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to 7 by 19. Alpha cannot be 7 by 19. So alpha is 2. The roots are 2 alpha, 3 alpha and 9 minus 5 alpha, that is 4, 6, 9 minus 5 into 2, 4, 6 minus 1 are the roots of given equation. We shall see the next question. Okay students, this is the next problem. We shall continue with the next problem. You are given an equation x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Given that product of two of its roots is 3, you have to find all the 4 roots. Right, let us see how to do it. Given equation is x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Now what is given to you? Product of two of its roots is 0. Let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the roots, and let alpha, beta be 3. We have this is minus plus alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to minus 6. Let us say we have called alpha, beta as 3, gamma, delta is equal to minus 6, gamma, delta is equal to minus 6 by 3, gamma, delta is equal to minus 2. Right. Let x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, let us call this as 1, equal to 0 be the factor. We will take one more equation, x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta, and x square minus x into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta be the factors of 1. Let alpha plus beta is equal to p. We are taking alpha plus beta as p, and gamma plus delta is equal to q. Now you have x square minus x into p plus 3 is equal to 0, x square minus x into q minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x square minus px plus 3 into x square minus qx plus 2 minus 2 is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6. If you multiply these two, you must be getting this, because these two are the factors of 1. You multiply these two, you must get the first equation, because these two are the factors. We have taken these two as the factors. You know what is alpha, beta, you know what is gamma, delta. So now we shall multiply these two and find the value of p and q. 1 minus 5, 5 minus 6, right. Now let us multiply this equation. What do you get? X power 4 minus qx cube minus 2x square minus px cube plus pqx square minus 2px plus 2px you get, plus 3x square minus 3qx minus 6 is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6. Let us check once again. X power 4 qx cube minus 2x square minus px cube plus pqx square minus 2p plus 2px, right. 3x square minus 3qx minus 6, right. So x power 4 minus x cube into p plus q. X cube terms are over. Let us see x square terms. Plus x square into 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 plus pq. We have done with x square terms. Then x terms plus x into 2p minus 3q, 2p minus 3q minus 6 is equal to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 6. So here you have p plus q as 5 implies p plus q is equal to 5 and x term 2p minus 3q is equal to 5. We shall solve these equations. Shall solve these two equations. We'll see what you get. P plus q is equal to 5. 2p minus 3q is equal to 5. Multiply this with 2. So you get 2p plus 2q is equal to 10. 2p minus 3q is equal to 5. Subtract. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. 15q, 5q is equal to 15. 5q is equal to 5. So q is equal to 5 by 5, which is q is equal to 1. So you got this equation. Now p plus q is equal to 5. P plus 1 is equal to 5. P is equal to 5 minus 1. P is equal to 4. So here p value you got as 4. Now factors: x square minus 4x plus 3, x square minus x minus 2 are the two different factors. Now let us factorize it. What are the factors? Therefore, x square minus x into p is 4 minus plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. X into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. Also, x square minus x into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. X into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. So therefore 1 minus 1, 2, 3 are the roots. That's all for today's class, children. Shall continue in the next class.